Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day today. Just doing a quick review on this MAMNV, M-A-N-N-V, MAMNV robot vacuum. I am extremely excited to try this out. I have a buddy that bought one a handful of days ago, and he got it and absolutely love it. He got rid of his Roomba, actually. So I'm excited. This has a mopping feature that I absolutely love, and I can't wait to see. It's extremely quiet from what he said. The battery lasts actually quite a long time, and so yeah, very excited to try the mopping feature out. Let me open this up and I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I am back and got it unpacked. Haven't looked at it yet, so just taking it out. All right. The color I chose was purple. My wife loves purple, and as you can see, it's not an annoying purple. It's actually like a dark purple. It comes with everything that you need to get started. This is the daunting base. Of course, the cord for the base, the remote controller, the unit itself, of course batteries for the remote controller, and then various attachments and brushes. So I'm going to get this out of the package. I'll be back in just a moment. Alright, righto. Got installed the first sweeping mechanism, and very easy to put on. They simply lock into place with the little press of your thumb. Got the mopping pad here. Very easy setup, very easy to use. Very excited to use it. Amazing layout. I'm gonna actually download the app right now. I'm gonna get this charged, and then I'm gonna finish my review, not as a video, but I will write in the comments. I'm extremely excited to use it. Got the dustbin, very easy to take out. Everything is all right here, laid out. Very excited. I don't know what else to say, but I will update everyone here in just a little bit. Thank you so much. Very excited to use this guy.